have never ever failed me. Eh? You can never fail me, Lord. You are gung. Ayine chingiri kangel. Eh, you are good. You are kai. You are gung. Eh, ayine. You are good. Guys. Guys. Oh my God. It's not for, don't worry yourself. Guys. Vibe with Sonia. Vibe with Sonia. It's vibe with Sonia. It's vibe with Sonia. 38,000 subscribers. 38,000 subscribers. 78 or not 38. 78,000 subscribers. My husband correct pass me, oh Jesus, secret. Hi, good. Guys, I'm so grateful. I'm so honored. God has found me worthy. 78,000 subscribers. Yeah, good. See, I will still tell you over and over again, do not give up on your YouTube channel. 78,000 subscribers. 78,000. This my light is too high. 78,000 whooping subscribers. Guys, if anybody should tell me that by this time I will have 78,000 subscribers, I will say no. It's not now. Maybe in the next 6 years, 7 years, 8 years. But it happens. It happens. Consistency pays. Consistency pays. Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna be uploading this video like this is not my usual kind of content, but I'm going to upload this. Even my husband has danced to this. Hi. Agabaidu. Adam Gwawedu. It simply means God, take your praise, take your honor. Guys, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. I just want to say thank you so much for 78,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing. You guys, I love you guys from the depth of my heart. I was thinking maybe by tomorrow I'll hit 78,000 subscribers. I didn't know that it's going to be this quick. I just went to my YouTube studio and I wanted to check how my videos performance are doing, and then I saw 78,000 whooping subscribers coming from Vibe with Sonia channel. I don't know how to say thank you to you guys. I don't know how to appreciate you guys. I know that this is not the normal video that you guys are expecting to see. You guys manage this video for me, the celebration choke, for as many as you as that will be typing congratulations in the comment section. It will reach you. It will reach you. It will not only reach you, it will reach your channels. Hi. God is good though. God is good though. Hey, God. Consistency pays. Everything you are doing, just be consistent. Everything you are doing, get the passion, develop passion. If you don't have passion, but just so that you will develop the passion, you will make money on these YouTube streets. You will make money on these YouTube streets. You will enjoy YouTube. You will. I don't know what else to say. Just be you. Do what you know how to do best. Thank you so much. This is my thank you video for 78,000 subscribers. I love you guys. With no further ado like I always say in my videos. I'm going to be simple and I'll see you guys in my next one. Na me be this. Na me be this. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it.